guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're going to enjoy this episode. It's going to be working on my 1960 Ford F100. So yesterday I went to St. Michael to get the used tires mounted on the rims. That went easy. So today I'm going to go do that job, and I'm going to also go to the dump, take the old tires, dispose of them over in Fort Saskatchewan, and then I'm going to go to Canadian Tire and buy a drill with a couple of the wire brushes that you can spin on it, because I want to start cleaning up the floor and getting rid of the rust. So let's go take a look at the truck, and I'll show you a little bit of the suspension on the undercarriage. Again, this is only on the driver's side. The passenger side, the wheels and tires are still holding air, so until I find a good source of a deal, so here we go with the undercarriage of the F-150. This is in the, or F-100, sorry. This is the undercarriage of the rear. And again, you can see that's kind of a little rusty and all that. That can be cleaned up, but everything looks kind of straight and narrow. I'll have to take the drums off and see what it looks like. I'm sure I'm going to have to do a complete brake job. Obviously, the exhaust and flex lines and the rear shocks are not in that great of a shape, so all this is aged. Go to the front, we have the same type of braking system, drums in the front, single shock leaf springs, as basic as you can get, but it's pretty you know, decent underneath there, and that's about it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is drive into town, dump the tires off, the junk tires, and then after I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of shopping, and then come back here. We'll jump into the truck, put the new tires on, or the wheels, and see what it looks like, and hopefully they hold air. So far there should be no issues, and then take a look at the next step in it. Next episode that I'll be doing, I'll be working on the Bricklin. We'll be diving into the battery, and we'll also be diving into oil and oil changes. So guys, let's hop in the truck and take a cruise down and get this done. How you doing? Just 2 tires. Thank you. And that was it. No charge at all. So we're here in the waste transfer station. Okay, guys. So this is the waste transfer station for... So we can put it on rims, everything else like that. So I got 2 tires. Put it up here. One, 2. Bet you there's some good rubber in here. Yeah, those ones don't look too bad. But anyway, that's basically it. Because Canadians pay a prepaid tire tax, disposal of all tires are free. So we pay to So basically we pay to dispose them once we first initially buy them. Once we're done with them, government takes it at no fees, and that's to promote taking them to the correct place in the dump. So if your municipality charges you, that's shameful because you already paid to dump them. There should be no extra cost. So let's go hit Canadian Tire. Gonna go buy that drill and some of the brushes to clean the floors up, and then do a little bit of grocery shopping, head back in, throw the tires back on the F100, and call it a day. Hey guys, just got back from shopping. So I got my drill, which is a Canadian Tire. It's I think it's a 5 amp or something. Yeah, it's a 5 amp 3/8 drive corded drill. I didn't go cordless because what I'm going to do is just stick around the area. I do have a small little corded one for you know, for around the projects around the house. So that's what I got. It was on sale for $34 Canadian, and so you can kind of look at what your exchange rate is. It'll be about $25 American, around $35, $36 Australian, because those are the 2 countries that seem to watch my channel, so which is all good. But anyway, yeah, so I got this, and I got some brushes to start cleaning up the rust on the floor and looking to see how much plates I need to, you know, cut out and rivet in to make everything look good. So I'm all done this. We're gonna go back to the house. I'm gonna grab some lunch, and then we're gonna go and put the tires on and see the finished project. Okay guys, catch you back at home. Okay everybody, I got the jack in place. It's time to throw the tires on and see how she looks. So let's jump under there and get the job done. Well guys, there you go, finished product, exactly what I'm looking for. So they fit the truck nicely. They're basically exactly what the size of the tires would be when it came from the factory. So I'll take a little bit of a closer look up. They're a Max Tour steel belt. These are off a Highlander, the guy said. So I picked them up for a really good deal. And yeah, so the next two that I got to replace will be the ones on the other side. They're still holding air, so the priority is not that, I'm not that worried about it. But as you can see, I'm surprised this one holds air. This one's in a really rough shape. But anyway, it's holding air. I'm only putting 3 lug nuts on each side just because the truck's basically a rolling chassis. So I'm not worried about driving it. Of course, when I do drive it, if that ever comes a day, which I hope, you know, obviously this will be all new studs and bolts. So they're just there for now. So they come on and off, nothing seized or broke. So that's kind of where it looks like. So definitely this is not the best side of the truck. The one is going to be this side. So this is done for now. And on top of that, I've got the drill. So I'm going to start with the interior. The only thing I got left to do is remove the gas tank, clean up a little bit in the back there, just a couple spot detailing, and then I can start doing some floor repair work slowly. So that'll be the next episode. If not, then I'll just dive into the engine, shampoo that, and get it ready for its running in who knows how many years. But it's exactly the look I'm going for. Basically the wheels and tires are done on this side, so hopefully I can score another good set for the opposite side. Again, not in a rush. I do that when time and money is available. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit like, hit subscribe, and you're going to see more of this classic truck. We'll probably dive in, not probably, but we're going to dive into the Bricklin next episode with a battery, and then possibly another episode after that with the oil change. So guys, if you're new around here, thank you very much again for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It does great for my channel. Greatly appreciated. So you can see all these wonderful adventures that I'm having with my vehicle. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next episode. Stay loose for now.